CUTSIC just came back for some seatbelts. We went purple this time, and they look really nice against the suede Coulsons. These seats are lovely. Aussie is the driver, which is why that says that. And they look great. ADR approved. See what the cops have to say. This is a lovely car. This is a 427 dart block. At the moment only has a built 4L65 in it, but that don't seem to last long. It is getting a manual swap very soon. It's getting a Haltech very soon, and in the near future it's getting a supercharger. So we absolutely love working on this car. I will work on this car anytime the owner asks, no ifs or buts. You might not like purple, it might not be your thing, but it's the owner's thing. The brakes are purple. It has purple LEDs inside. We're putting purple LEDs in the engine bay. It's getting, what's it getting next? Something purple. Oh, it's getting purple Brembos soon. So yeah, purple might not be your thing. The owner likes it. I like it. My car's purple. So very nice.